Hi everybody, Gagajoy's cooking. Well, I have such beautiful peppers this year, and I haven't made my pickled cauliflower in several years, so that's what we're going to do. My peppers it's been so long since I've had beautiful, and that's just a start of them. So today we're going to do pickled cauliflower, and I've got my vinegar on the stove. It's 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1/4 salt. So I've got 4 cups of water, 4 cups of vinegar, and a whole cup of salt. So I'm just letting them come to a boil, and in the meantime we'll start stacking our cauliflower. I've got carrots, peppers, I've got little garden onions, and of course our peppers. So, and I thought I would do this early, and so I cut my carrots so that it could stand up. Now they're curled, so it doesn't matter. Nothing's going to happen to them. So I just start filling. This is something we normally used to keep in the refrigerator all the time. Let's see. I also had, here's garlic. Here's a couple pieces of garlic. I just put the whole garlic in and sort of cut it up. Okay. And of course it is easy to make. This is something my son loves so much, is pickled cauliflower, and well, everybody in the family does. And a few more onions, carrots, yellow, red, all kinds of peppers, except green peppers. I have so many peppers, I thought, well, I'll go ahead and try to use these before I get any more green peppers, so I still haven't gotten any. Is there something you cook or can every year that just sort of is a family tradition? I think this is just sort of a family tradition around here. I do try to push it down a little bit. And of course when you put the hot vinegar and stuff in here, they go down, you can push it a little bit more. And then a couple pieces of garlic. And a couple more onions. And a couple more peppers. Another piece. Oh, that looks pretty. Put another one of pepper. A couple more carrots, since I have plenty. Now let's put a little bit of flavoring in it. This is garlic seed, about a teaspoon of it. Oh, actually perfect teaspoon. Turmeric is just to give you a little color, and it does sort of make everything a little richer. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon in it. It's fresh. Half a teaspoon. and about yeah, this is a fourth of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And about a fourth of crushed red pepper. Okay. And a teaspoon of mustard seed. Now, you don't have to put all these in yours. You put the things you like. These are just things that, standard things, I guess, for us. If you don't like the extra heat, don't put your 2 hot spices in there. And let's see here. Oh yeah, we put in time. See, that'll just wash it all down in there. Okay, this is 4. I forgot one of my most important things, and that's a tea bag. It keeps it crystal. Which I'll go get that. Make sure we get all the spices in there. When it cools off, I'll turn it upside down a few times. It does look awfully pretty. And I will have to make some more vinegar and stuff. Okay. Let's start with another one. Onions. Oh, I have to do some peppers too. I just cut my ends off and split them. Again, now, I think the last time I made them all round, like little rings. But I also like just getting a pepper out. But everything's been washed very good. Okay. Get some more cauliflower. Carrots. Cauliflower, garlic, peppers, and some more peppers. I'm very proud of my peppers this year. This is just the start of them. I'll be canning some of those too. But plenty more cauliflower. You know, cauliflower has been so expensive this spring, and then I guess it's time to come in. All of a sudden, cauliflower prices have fallen. That's one reason I decided to do it now. Carrots, rest of the onions, peppers, some more garlic, finish it all up so I can wash it. Just get little spices in it. Red pepper, about 1/8 of a teaspoonful. That's so full it doesn't hardly go in there. I put a teaspoon mustard seed, eighth of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a teaspoon, I think. That's what I use for the turmeric. Yeah, teaspoon turmeric. Now, yeah, I'll have to make some more of this, but I won't make you wait. Well, as you see, I got two big, I think that was 3 cauliflower. I tried to put 6 peppers in each one of them. And now let's go over this again. It's 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of salt. So I'm going to, the first one I had 4 cups of water, 4 cups of vinegar, and a whole cup of salt. So I'm going to do about half of that again for this one. I do want you to see how pretty it is. I'll probably get a few more in there in a few minutes, and which I will do. So it's that time of year to start making the pickling stuff, and I'm very proud of these. And I hope you try it. If you have any trouble, just let me know, and I'll let you. We'll go over it again. Take care of yourself. Also, you may like the pickling spice in these. But I forgot my most. Here, I don't think I can reach it, but I'll try. I'm so short. Okay. And a tea bag in each one of them. That keeps them crispy. Whether it does or not, mine are always crispy, so I'm assuming that it does. You can also use a couple of grape leaves in them. Makes them crispy. I did last time. Both times they were very crispy. So, take care of yourself. Go get you some pickles, cauliflower, and see you soon. And I've enjoyed making these. I think you'll enjoy it if you'll get everything together and do it. The problem is just getting everything together for me. Take care of yourself. Have a good weekend. Remember the joy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.